Good morning, students. Yes, students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, today I will send the invitation of your test one, web technology test one invitation. I'll share GCR invitation. I'll send. All of you accept the invitation for your first internals. You know the test dates now, students? I already told the syllabus also, module one and module two. Yes, module 1 and module 2 is for your syllabus, and
Yes, ma'am.
today I will discuss case study and innovative question, and tomorrow I have two hours class. No, one is regular class, the other class is a lab instruction class. So lab instruction class I'll utilize for revision. So tomorrow's lab instructions class we will do revision. Yes, students. First, I will discuss case study and innovative question. See, one thing you understand what is case study and innovative is, in innovative question, a different student or each student will write a different answers. They think, for example, I give some situation or a scenario. According to the scenario, according to the situations, how innovatively you can develop a web page. Yes, students, we have already learned how to develop a web page. We assume that we were not knowing about the web page, what is web page, how to develop a web page, but by using the basic HTML tags and the JavaScript concepts. Yes, we learned JavaScript concept. So to take a input, how we are taking an input using prompt. Yes, compared to first module, in the second module, we are developing a web page, a user interactive web page. Correct, no? In the first program and in the second program, what we were doing, we were just displaying the table, or we were just modifying the content, modifying the text, just hyperlink, or designing the web page, giving some color, giving a background color. But when we learned a second module in JavaScript, so the main advantage or the main thing of JavaScript is, using JavaScript you can develop a interactive web page, students. Interactive means what? Taking an input from the user and again giving back some answers, so the interaction will be there. Correct, no? Yes, by using a JavaScript we are doing that. You have seen the programs. Yes, students, we have seen the programs, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We have seen the programs. So using JavaScript, using basic HTML tags, using CSS, we can develop a attractive dynamic web page. Is it right? So I may give you a scenario. You take education institute or consider a hospital management, develop a attractive web page, develop a attractive web page. If you get a question like this, then you have to draw a sample web page, students. Sample web page you have to write. See, each students will include a different functionalities. I mean, different tags each students will use. One may use prompt, the other may use alert box to display the message, or other student may use a different tables or ordered list, unordered list. So each students will represent in their own way. Correct, no? That is how innovatively you can develop a web page. How innovatively you can develop a web page. That is innovative question. So we have seen so many education institute websites, so many college website, university website. So you may feel that yes, these are all the functionalities or concepts are not included in this web page. So you try to include those functionalities or those items in the web page. Yes, students, like this you may have to answer in the innovative. Whereas case study means, generally what happens in this case, in the case study, we give a case. After reading the case study or after reading the material, all the students will write the same answer. All the students will write the same answer. For example, I may ask you to develop a web page in which you have to show the placement details in table format. See students, if I just ask to show the placement details, then in the paragraph also you may write, you may show, or in bullets also you may show, or in ordered list also you may show. But here specifically I am telling you have to show in the table. Correct, no? Are you getting the difference? Yes, students, are you getting the difference? To develop a web page, in the web page, you need to display the placement details using table tag. Then all the students will use table tag. Some may include additional thing like row spanning, column spanning. Yes, but I'm not telling you to use row span or column span. If students know, if they have more knowledge about these tags, row span or column span or padding, then they will include. But all the students will write the same answer, no? All the students will write the table tag only. Yes? Or I may ask you to develop a web page or develop or demonstrate a web page in which demonstrate or develop a user interactive web page using screen outputs dialog boxes. Using screen output dialog boxes. Then what you have to use? What you have to use? Prompt. Command prompt in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we are using command prompt now to take an input from the user. Why the strength is decreasing, students? 54 were there, now 48 students are there. At the end of the class, if they join, I'm not going to give any attendance. 54 were there. This is important. Case study and innovative question I am discussing. Yes, students, you understood case study and innovative. Such types of questions you may get in the test. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And one thing I want to show you that once you, this is a proctored online test, you know that. So you have to switch, keep your camera on in front of the laptop. You have to write the test. So once you complete writing or once you finish, anybody have doubt in case study and innovative question, students?
Case study
Okay. See, in the case study, I may give you some particular case. See, in the innovative, what I told, develop a web page, develop a web page, or develop an innovative web page, innovative dynamic web page. So you may use any tags. You may use any tag to develop a dynamic innovative web page. But in the case study, what I am telling, display the content using in a table format. Yes?
Ma'am, should we write the code or should we draw or something?
No, you have to write the code. Drawing, it will take only 1 or 2 minutes. No, in 1 hour for that drawing I cannot. You have to draw sample also. You have to show and you have to write the code also.
Okay, ma'am.
Both. 8 marks question it is. Both case study and innovative. So in innovative, what is happening? Each students will write a different answer. Why? I'm just telling that develop or design a dynamic, attractive web page. So to make a web page dynamic and attractive, you may use any tags. But in case study, I'm telling develop a web page. In that you have to display the placement details or the rank list, the university rank list in a table format. See, if I just tell you to display some data, the placement details, you may use ordered list, you may use unordered list, or you may use paragraph tag also. But here specifically I am telling in the table format. Then which tag you will use? Table tag. If I include one more sub question, if I include one more thing, that is use a row span, column span to design to align the table, or to design a attractive table. Then you have to use a row span and column span. So this is case study. Yes, students? So any doubt? Okay. So students, you anyway you will receive an invitation for GCR. So once you accept the invitation, suppose you have test at 8:30. So by we in the GCR we set a timing like 8:25, or because Google, it will take some 2-3 minutes delay. So by 8:30, the question paper will reach to you. So the timing, I don't know still, because for your seniors the timing was 8:30 to 10, and extra half an hour buffer time to scan and upload the answer script in Google Classroom. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನ. Sorry, students. So once you get a you will get an invitation. So the timing will be 1.5 hour for write up, and remaining half an hour will be for your the buffer time will be for to scan and upload. And don't leave the meeting, students. You should keep on your camera. And once you and one more thing, students, here if you write the test offline, then you write in the blue book. If you have any if there is any mismatch in the question number, then So if it is offline test, then if any by mistake for question number one, you might if you write question number two, then you'll be there only in the college. So we may ask you, but this is an online test. Please write the question number properly, students. Write the question number properly and scan it properly. Scan the answer script properly and upload in the GCR. When you upload, you can I will show the sample answer script, how it will be visible. Try to use black pen only, students, because you are going to scan. No, if you use blue pen, then it may look little blur, or better you use black pen. And while you scanning, when you scan the answer script, scan it properly. Don't scan in the different angles. Before you sending to Google Classroom, you check how it is displaying. Is taking some time to open. Okay, students, any doubt you have, you can ask regarding case study innovative or about GCR. I think this is the first time you are writing the online test, no? Yes, students?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, you can ask. And students, don't say that you have internet.
Ma'am, what if
Yes.
we get network glitches?
That's what I was about to tell, that because it is just 1.5 hour test, yeah, even we understand sometimes it happens, but if you are using Wi-Fi or if you are using mobile data, make sure power should be there, and if power is not there, then at least in your mobile phone the data should be there.
And what if we get disconnected, ma'am?
Okay, just 10 seconds. If you disconnect also, just 10 seconds or 20 seconds only, no, or not more than that. So immediately you have to join. That is also, I think only 1 or 2 times you that may happen. Otherwise, again, some instructions are there. If you
Ma'am,
disconnect
if it
also,
disconnects
again,
more than 3 times.
more than 3 times, if it is really see, if it is a really internet issue, then we understand. But many students, what they do is, for copying, they may lie also, no.
Yes, ma'am. But we are in like poor network areas also. Like the network reception is not that great here.
I understand, but at least for 1.5 hour, try to be in a good network area. Yaradu?
Yes, ma'am. We'll try, but there'll be no issues if we get disconnected by mistake, right?
No, by mistake. If it get, I'm telling, no. Some students by mistake it will get disconnect, but some student purposely they do. So in online mode, we cannot identify, no, who is doing purposely and who is doing and who is disconnecting by mistake. Will not come to know, no. And yes, students, one more thing, you should not delay the uploading. I'll share the screen. Is the screen is visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is for fourth semester subject, students. Can you see turned in 42? Kanista idea turned in 42. Yes, students, are you able to see? And
ma'am.
assigned is 6. Assigned 6 means 6
Yes, ma'am.
six students are missing. This is T3. 6 students are not attended. And total is how much? 46 plus 2. Well, I mean 42 plus 6. 48. 48. But
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class strength is 50.
Yes,
Class
ma'am.
strength is 50. So when I send the invitation to all the 50 students, 2 students have not accepted the invitation. 2 students have not accepted the invitation. 48 students have accepted the invitation. So out of 48 students, 6 students are absent. So you can see here missing. If you are not writing the test, it will show here missing. 42 are turned in. 42 are turned in. Yes, student. See here down after the student answer script, down you can see turned in. Turned in anta kanasta idea.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody
Yes, ma'am.
uploaded late. If they upload late, then it will be in the, it will show turned in late anta barutte. Turned in late. It will show turned in late. They have uploaded within the time, within the given time. So it is not showing any delay, any late, it is not showing. So like this, it will show students. So don't upload JPEG formats, upload PDFs. Upload PDF. See how they have written. Third internals, subject code, write the date, USN, name, part A, then you start writing students. Yes? This is also a little blur only, but still I am able to read. So here date, third internal assessment, USN, name, subject code, and part A, question number and answer. Yes, like this you have to write. Any doubt?
Ma'am,
Another doubt
should
is
we write in blue book or any book is okay?
Ganesh sir sent a message in the group, no, last week. Now stationery is open and they are giving home delivery also. Then you have to write in the
Ma'am,
blue book only.
that person told blue books are out of stock.
Sorry?
I contacted ma'am that person, which Ganesh
Huh.
shared the number. He told blue books are out
Okay.
of stock. So we are thinking to write in.
See, now no lockdown, no, so you will get other blue books also. Because when you come back to college, you have to submit those blue books.
Ma'am, but
Yeah, ma'am.
in my area there's a lockdown going on.
Society logo will be not there. That's it.
Yes, Navya, repeat.
Ma'am, usually we are writing provided books, right?
Yes.
So if we
No, what I'm telling is, if there is no lockdown in area, you can purchase other blue books also, no, and you can write in that. Yes, Rupak, you're in which area?
Ma'am, Shillong, ma'am.
Rupak, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Shillong, Meghalaya.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we write in A4 size sheets?
Before sheets.
Ma'am, I asked
One.
HOD. I asked HOD. He told there's no issue in it. You can use the available
Okay, then
resources.
HOD told there is no issue, then you can go ahead. Because HOD sir and test coordinator, they will take a call on this. Test coordinator is Shivkumar sir. So anyway, he's handling one subject. No, you can ask Shivkumar sir. If sir says no issues, and if Ganesh sir is telling no issues, then you can. Because for your seniors, first internals they had offline, and second internals they had online, and during that online test, lockdown was there. So complete lockdown was there. So that time the stationery was not open in college also, as well as outside also. So we told them to write in a A4 sheet or in sheets. But for you, the now no lockdown, and even college is also open. Even we faculty we are also going to college, and Ganesh sir also sent a message in the group that the blue books, record books, you can they are giving home delivery. But I was not aware of that. There is no stock. So if Ganesh sir, you talk.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sri Vishnu.
Ma'am, timetable and timings of the internals has not been shared with us, ma'am.
It will be shared.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry about that. Yeah. Per day, 2 subjects will be there.
Okay, ma'am. What about theory classes on that day?
No, that day theory classes will not be there. The
Okay,
third day, how many subjects you have? 5,
Six
Allah?
subjects. Six, ma'am.
Which is one more subject? Which is the 6th subject? 6 Idya.
Ma'am, 4 theory and 2 electives.
4 theory, 2 electives. One nimsham.
Ma'am, cybersecurity and MAD is elective subject.
Okay.
Web application, Java, DBMS, and software engineering are the 4 subjects.
Okay. In total 6 subjects. No, 6. 1 minute. Six subject means 3 days, morning, afternoon you'll be having, no? So then no classes. When you have test, that time no, there will not be any theory classes, students. And any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what I was discussing, in my regular class, I was discussing exception handling. In last class, we have seen the exception handling, and some of the examples also we have seen in the exception handling. Now we have the next concept is events in JavaScript. We have some of the events in JavaScript, that is on change, on click, on mouse over, on mouse out, on mouse key down, on load. So these event when it happens is on change. On change, an HTML element has been changed. So when you put your mouse cursor on that, then it will change. On click, when you click your mouse pointer on particular text box on a particular button, then some changes will happen. We have seen in jQuery program, students. Yes, do you remember? In the hide function. Yes, students, in the hide function, in the hide we have seen that there I explained what happens if I use this and what happens if I use p tag. Yes, students, do you remember? If you forgot, I'll show the program once again. But please tell me, do you remember or not?
Yes, ma'am, remember.
Yes. The p tag, when we call a p tag, the statements, all the statements, if you write a 10 statements also in the p tag, everything will be hidden in one click only. If you are using a this, then only the particular line will be hidden, or only that particular line will be shown. So this is on click event on mouse over. On mouse over, suppose I have a button. This is a button. So there is no need to click anything on the button. There is no need to click. Just if I put my mouse pointer on the button, then some action happens. See, event, what is event? What is event, students? Event means some action should happen there. See, when I'm sitting, that is also one event. Some action I am doing. When I'm clicking, then some event is happening. Some action is happening. When I'm deleting, some event I am doing. Some action I am doing. When I'm similarly, so here we have the events, that is on click, on change, on mouse over, on mouse out. See, when I put my mouse pointer on the text or on the button, then some event will happen, some action will happen. When I take out the mouse pointer from that text box or from the button, then the next the other event will happen. On key down, so key, when I click when I pushes the key down, then the event will happen. On load, then the browser has finished loading the page. So these are all the events we have in the JavaScript. We will see the programs one by one. If you see the programs, you will get a clear idea, students. So here, this is a simple program. In this program, I have used a button. And here I am calling a date function, students. Here I am calling a date function. So what happens in the button, when I click on the button, see, on click event I am using, on click. When I click on the button, then the current date it should display. The current date and time it should display. Now I will run the program. We will see what output it will show. So the button name is, the time is, the button name is, the time is. When I am clicking on the button, what it is showing? It is showing the date function. When you use the date function, what information it will display? All the information it will be displayed on the button. That is, today's day is Wednesday, month is June, date is 23, year 2021, timing is 12:38, and even the seconds also it will show. And now when I will refresh, students, the timing will change in seconds. Yes, 39 minutes and 14 seconds. And it is a standard Indian time. Here just I am demonstrating the event. That is which event? On click. When I click on the button, what is happening here? When I click on the button, what is happening here? One more thing. See, students, here This is a jQuery program. If anybody forgot this, then you see here. See here. Here I'm using a click function. That click function is nothing but a on click function. And here why I'm using this function is to hide some information. To hide a information. Where I have stored the information, students, in the p tag. Using a p tag, I'm displaying the data or I'm storing the data. What I want to do is when I click on the data, then it should hide. So we will see how the data will be hidden. I'm running the code, students. So if you click on me, I will disappear. See what happening? One by one line is happening now, hiding. Now I'll click on the third line, students. I will click on the third line. So third line is disappeared. Third line is disappeared. Now the last line also disappeared. Here what I am doing, here what is happening? The event is happening. What event? That is click event. When I'm clicking on a particular line, then that particular line will be hidden. Why only the particular line is hiding? Why the complete all the three lines are not hiding at a time? Because in the code I have used this, then only the current line will be hidden there. Only the current line will be hidden there. But yes, see here, students, the same program. Here P is there. In the previous program, this was there. Here only it is. I will show that also. Ilene is there, this is there. This dot hide. This dot hide. But in this program, P dot hide is there. So you see what happens when I use P dot. See, students, this is also a mouse event only. Now what I am doing, I am clicking on the button. So what happened? All the contents in the p tag are disappeared. Why? Because here I am using a p tag, but here one by one it is hiding because I want to hide up only the current line. I have used their p. So this is also a mouse event, students. This is also a mouse event. See, students, in the last program, in the event program, I was using a date function. I was using a date function. Here I'm using a method. What method? Or you can say function. So function, what function I'm using? That is hi there. Hi there function I have defined in the script tag, and when you see the body tag, in the body tag, in the button, when I click on the button, then it is calling that function. E function karita hai, E function. It is calling this function, whatever the function name I have given here. So if I the same name we have to give. So when we click on this, so this will call this function, hi there function. In hi there function, whatever the statements we have written, it will display all. So in hi there, what statement I have written? Alert window. So in the alert box, it should show hi there. In the alert box, it should show hi there. See, I am clicking on the button, students. I am clicking on the button. Then what it is displaying? It is displaying the output in a alert box. I will do the modification. See, students, if you are not understanding, you please stop me and you can ask questions. So I will change the method name also. Hi. Just I give the method name hi. And in the button also, I will change in the button tag also, I will change hi all. Yes, students, what is happening?
On click that JavaScript is running.
Yes, when I clicked on that, then it is displaying the alert box. Previously, what was the message in the alert box? Hi there. So now I change it to hi all. How are you? Simple programs. Yes, students, in the exam also you can, in the test also you can write these simple programs there. I just want you should understand the concept and demonstrate or explain with a simple example. One more. This is another simple program. Here I am using a input tag to take a input from the user. Input tag to take a input from the user. So what happening here is on change. On change. So what changes is happening? It is changing the content in the text box. Whatever the input I take, that content will be changed to uppercase. That content will be changed to uppercase. So coming to the this uppercase method or uppercase function. So here document dot get element by id f name. So using this input tag, whatever the f name we take, that will be stored in the variable x. That will be stored in the variable x, and that will be constant. Yes, if I enter x or if I enter abc, it will not change. Why? Here I just want to change the lowercase to uppercase. So that's why here the constant variable, that is x. So whatever the f name value you are taking from the input tag, so that value will be stored in the variable x, and that will be converted to uppercase. That value will be converted to uppercase. Yes, students, getting? If I take ABC, small abc, then it will be converted to uppercase. See here, I have a text box. Here I am writing BMS IT on change. I am changing my mouse pointer from that place to other place. Yes, what happened? This is not on click, on change. I have changed, I have not clicked anywhere. I have just changed my mouse pointer to some other place. What happened? The input is converted to uppercase. Yes, students? Observe the output, students. Once again, I am running XYZ. Yes, students, what happened? The input is changed. The input is changed. Yes, the input is changed, no? See all the functions in jQuery or the functions, the programs, whichever the programs I shown you, slide down, on click, fade in, fade out, all are the mouse click event, students. Click everywhere. I have used this click function or click event. Slide up, slide down. Yes, students, any doubt? Any doubt, students? If you don't have any doubt, then I'll stop here. We will meet at 1:45 in the lab. Answer your attendance, students. 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Yes, ma'am.
11,
Yes, ma'am.
12, 13, 12 is not there. 12, 13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20, 21.
She is
She
present,
have
ma'am.
put in chat box, ma'am.
Yeah, 21. Nah?
Yes.
Then what
ma'am.
about 12? What about 12? 12 Rahmatullah. 22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾನು.
okay. 24,
She have network issue, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Yes, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Yes, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 36, 36,
ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38. Okay.
37 present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
37.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Yes, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
46, 47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Ma'am, she has put in chat box.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
46 present, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, students, we'll meet at 1:45, and today I want to know the status of your synopsis. How many? Okay, Divya. How many of you completed your the status of your synopsis we will discuss in the lab session. Okay, students, see you at 1:45. Thank you.